quick demonstration of EyeTeach and EyeStudy. EyeTeach I have on the left, which is the module run by the teachers, and EyeStudy I have on the right, which is what the students would be running. On the left you can see the first tab is the Students tab, which shows you the windows of the students' devices, be they laptops, iPads or Androids. On the next tab along we have your Blackboard, where you can tell the students what to do, and you'll see on the student screen whatever you've typed instantly appears, so they get told what to do, and their tab for Blackboard is highlighted so they know there's something new there to see. The next tab of interest we have is the Browser tab. If you can go to a website, let's say we go to eyestudy.org, we see that website, decide that we want to send that to all the students in the class rather than them having to type in the URL by hand. You just press that button, their tab is highlighted and the page you've sent them is showing on their browser. Now we have the discussion tab, where the class can discuss things of interest, and likewise the tab is highlighted on the student screen and they can comment. Right, now we're going to cover some of the extra tabs that the student sees. The first one is the Lesson tab. In this tab they can work through lessons you've provided for them. Here we have two examples of iron formation and photosynthesis. So if we just pull up one of these quickly, it's a little lesson on that topic, followed by an exercise where they get to answer some questions. If they get a question wrong, a hint is given to give them a better chance of getting the right answer, hopefully teach them something. And after they've answered a few questions, if I get the answers right, they're given a score, score, and it goes back to that list of modules. You can set up your own modules or pull them from the internet. On your teacher screen you can pull up this page which lists the modules you have locally, and you can add from the cloud and search for modules on various topics. Have a quick look at the module, see if it's something you're interested in adding, or you can create your own module and simply enter the text of the module and add questions. We won't go into that in too much detail. The other interesting point for the students is this tab over here, the notebook. This lets them write notes. These are my notes, or this is an essay on the topic, blah 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 blah. And once they've finished writing, they can save it obviously, but they can also submit it to you for marking. When they do that, that pops up on your message window that you've got one essay to mark. Here's the list of unmarked essays. This is from the student named Client. It's a slightly odd name. If we pull this up, we see the essay they wrote. You can add some notes. Terrible. I'll make that in red just to make sure they can see it. And once we've finished marking their essay, we can return it to the student. We can give it a mark, 33%, comment, you are a dummy. We would never say that, of course. The student then sees on their window the lesson tab is highlighted. Down the bottom they see the comment you've given them, and they can open up the message and see their original essay with whatever changes you've made marked, if you've marked them. That's all we've got time for now.